program is sponsored by Thrill City, Hyderabad.
Hello and welcome back to Foresights TV with me, Esma. In a recent development that has stirred both the sports and political arenas, Mahavir Phogat, the former wrestling coach and uncle of Vinesh Phogat, has publicly criticized his niece's decision to enter politics. Vinesh Phogat, a renowned wrestler and a trailblazer in Indian sports, has been fielded by the Congress party for the upcoming Haryana Assembly election. Mahavir's remarks come amid heightened interest in the intersection of the sports and politics, as well as Vinesh's transition from a celebrated athlete to a political candidate. Here's a special story from Foresights TV.
Mahavir Phogat, who has been a significant figure in Indian wrestling, expressed his disappointment regarding Vinesh's foray into politics. In a statement made on Tuesday, he revealed that he had not been consulted about her decision to join the Congress party. Had there been a discussion, I would have advised her against this move, Mahavir said. He emphasized that his preference was for Vinesh to focus on her wrestling career and pursue her Olympic aspirations. It was my wish that she concentrate on her game and aim for a gold medal in the 2028 Olympics. She should not have joined politics at this stage, he added. Vinesh Phogat's wrestling career has been notable, marked by her historic achievement as the first Indian woman wrestler to reach an Olympic final. However, her journey faced a significant setback when she was disqualified in Paris for being overweight by approximately 100 grams in her 50 kg weight category. Following this disqualification, Vinesh announced her retirement from wrestling. Despite this, her decision to join the Congress party and contest in the Haryana Assembly elections has drawn considerable attention and criticism. In addition to Vinesh, Olympian wrestler Bajrang Punia, who played a prominent role in the wrestlers' protest against former Wrestling Federation of India (WFI) chief Brijbhushan Sharan Singh, has also joined the Congress party. This move has seen as part of a broader shift in Indian politics, with prominent athletes aligning themselves with political parties. Mahavir Phogat's comments also reflects his political leanings. His daughter Babita Phogat joined the BJP ahead of the 2019 Assembly elections, indicating a family connection to the Saffron party. Mahavir expressed confidence that the BJP would retain power in Haryana, dismissing Congress' claim of an impending defeat. When results are declared on October 8, you will see that BJP will be back in power, he predicted.
Mahavir Phogat's critique of Vinesh Phogat's political ambitions underscores the complex relationship between sports and politics in India. As Vinesh transitions from wrestling to a political career, her uncle's comments highlight the differing expectations and opinion within her family and the broader public. With the Haryana Assembly elections approaching, the involvement of prominent athletes like Vinesh and Bajrang Punia adds a new dimension to the political landscape. As election day draws near, the impact of these developments on voter sentiment and the outcome of the polls remains to be seen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Esma.